welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Judith, a registered nurse and a medical virtual assistant, and I share practical tips and guides to help you become the best med VA you can be out there. So please do well to subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you exactly how you can time block in the DrChrono EHR system. Time blocking simply means blocking off the time your provider will not be available or the days when they don't work. So suppose as a medical virtual assistant and in the clinic where you work, your provider doesn't work on Saturdays and Sundays. So what you have to do is block off Saturdays and Sundays so that you don't make any mistake of booking appointments during this period. You can also block off their lunch periods. So let's say every 12 to 1 p.m. every day is your provider's lunch or break periods. All you have to do is to block off these periods so that you don't make any mistake of booking appointments for your provider during their break periods. Does that make sense? And you only get to do this if the clinic that you work for has not already done it, and also if the EMR system or the EHR system that is being used in your clinic supports time blocking, because not every EMR system supports time blocking. Okay, so if you're a new medical virtual assistant or you want to upgrade your scheduling skills, this particular video is for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. Okay, once you log into DrChrono EHR, if you don't know how to do that, please check my video on how to access EHR or EMR free trial accounts. Okay, so once you log into DrChrono EHR, please go ahead and click on schedule here. So once you get to the calendar, make sure that you're accessing it by weekly view, just like mine. So let's say your provider doesn't work on Saturdays and Sundays. What that means is that we are going to be blocking off Saturdays and blocking off Sundays. You can either block the work hours or you can even choose to block the whole 24 hours. So what you're going to do is to just click on the particular day that you want to block. You can actually click on any time here. So let's click. So once this event window pops up, what you're going to do is to click on break, because we are trying to block this time. Okay, this is not an appointment now. So let's go ahead and select the reason for this time blocking. So let's say provider unavailability, or you can even put time off or whatever. So let's go ahead and put provider unavailability here. So this time here is for you to select the time you want this time blocking to start counting. So if you are only blocking their work hours, you can just select that. And if you are blocking the whole 24 hours, you can select that as well. So for me, I will just click on 12 a.m. So I just want to block the whole 24 hours. Now, the duration, you have to set the duration in minutes. So it must be in minutes. So if you are blocking 12 hours, calculate the 12 hours in minutes and put it here. So I think I already calculated the 24 hours in minutes and is 1440 minutes. Okay, so you can come here and select the color you would want to use to represent this time blocking. So let me select blue. You can put notes here actually, but this one is provider unavailability, and I don't really need any notes here. Maybe if it was for a break or for an event, you can actually put a note here so that you would remember. But this time around, there is nothing like that here. Okay, so once you're done, click on recurring appointments. So what this means is that you don't just want to keep on setting these appointments every week. You just want to set it once, and it's going to keep on counting every 1 week. Okay, so we are blocking Sunday, and we are also blocking Saturdays, and we want this appointment to reoccur every 1 week, because our provider's off day is every Saturday and Sunday of every week. So select the first appointment here, and last appointment if you want it to end, but this time around we are going to select on never ends, because we want it to keep on reoccurring and we want it to keep on happening. So once everything looks good, all you have to do is click on save and close. As you can see, this appointment has already like appeared here. Okay, so what this means is that every Saturdays and Sundays of every week, you cannot book appointments during these days. Every week it keeps on reoccurring, it keeps on happening, and you don't have to do it again. Okay, let's go ahead and also block off their lunch period. So let's say your provider's lunch is every 12 p.m. every day. So you can go ahead and click on 12 p.m. and then click on break. Okay, this is very important. Then let's say the reason is lunch break, and so you select the time is 12 p.m. The duration is 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. And then you can go ahead and select the color. Okay, and you want this to reoccur. Let's put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, remember that we have already time blocked the whole of Saturdays and Sundays. So this time around we are only blocking off the lunch periods. So once that is done, you want this to also reoccur every 1 week, and you also don't want this to end. Or if you want it to end, you can put the time you would want it to end. So but for this simulation, let's just select never ends. Once everything looks good, save and close. And just like that, every 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. every day of the week is blocked off, because it's your provider's lunch period. So this will help you to prevent making the mistake of booking an appointment during these periods. Okay, so that you will not say, oh, I forgot, oh, I didn't know, oh, like mistakes and all of that. Remember I said, as a medical virtual assistant, you are not allowed to make mistakes. So please always have that at the back of your mind. So yes, this is how you time block inside the DrChrono EHR. So if you want more hands-on EMR tutorials like this one, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below, as I will answer every single one of them. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next one.